Well, hello again, traders. This is Art Dill for FuturesTradingCompany.net and a recap of our trading for May 4th, 2012. We had a very good day today. In fact, the day is still underway, but I am done trading for the day and done for the week. We went 5-0 today and plus 96 points. So very nice trading day. We had the big jobs report release this morning at 5:30 a.m. and it was a negative report. And so I was looking, did not have any Globex trades last night. Was looking to trade from the short side today, and all 5 of our trades that I took were short. And just to go over the results here, 5-0 today, 96 plus points. For the week, we had one Globex trade during the week only for plus 26 points. On the day trading during the day, on the Dow we went 28, 9, and 5 for 292 points, and the NASDAQ 1-0 for 7 points. So we ended up a total 325 points after deducting $4.50 per trade for commissions. We ended up netting for the week $1,283. So the second week in a row now where we've netted over $1,000 in net profit after deducting for commissions. I'll go over these trades for you. First trade I took at 6:33 this morning was a trigger short. 13,088 was the entry, and took that with 2 contracts, and we got 10 and 20 points. My targets were 10 and 20 on that trade, so nice start to the day, plus 30 points after the open. The next trade I took was over here, 13,062, and right here, 13,062 at the break of that bar. That was actually a trigger trade. What happens when I had to refresh the chart here, the triggers don't show up as they showed up in real time when the chart was live and active. And so there was a trigger there for that trade. 13,062 was the entry. And we got 2 targets of 10 points, actually. 13,047 was the low. I had taken one off at plus 10, and then after we got to plus 15, I was trying for 20 there. I brought the other contract back to 13,052 and got stopped out on the little retracement there. So plus 10 and plus 10, plus 20 points on the second trade. Here was our third short. And again, this was a breakout trade here. Chart pattern breakout. Here we'd put in a pivot high, a pivot low, a lower pivot high. It tried to retrace back up here to test this level. It was not successful, and we broke the pivot. 13,048. I was trying for 7 points and 15 points on this trade, and I got both of those targets. So 7 and 15 plus 22 on the third trade of the day. Our fourth trade was right here, short at the break of this bar at 13,031. I got 7 points, 13,024, and I was my target was 20 points, 13,012, and we got that right in this area, 13,012, for that second target. So plus 27 points on that trade. And then the last trade I took was at 808. And again, it was a breakout here of this pivot We did have triggers firing, obviously, but the first trigger that fired here, I did not take it, and this was a live trade I recorded, by the way, so you could actually see this trade that we took live. I didn't like the area where this trigger formed. It was too far down the Hall moving average here for my liking. So I wanted to see a test here and a failed test of the pivot high that was put in. We got that. We broke the third and got short at 13.019. The trade was taking quite a while. And so after we'd been in the trade for quite a few minutes, I took one of the contracts off at break even at 13.019. And then finally it did break, and we got our first target of 13.012 plus 7 points. And then, of course, the price rallied back up. And that was the last trade I had determined I was going to take today, although there have been other good entries had you wanted to stick with it and take some more trades. Very nice trigger entries short here. One here, one here. After the retracement, another one here. So, still had great opportunities to trade today. I had just determined after 5-0 this morning that I was going to be done for the day. That's it for the day, guys, and I hope you guys had a great week as I did. If you'd like to try the room, just get in touch with me. I'll give you the webinar ID for next week, and you can come in and watch the trades taken in real time. That's it for FuturesTradingCompany.net. Again, trading to win. This is your emini success coach, Art Dill.